has achieved consistent high ratings for the program. 2024's Primetime TV Drama Actor of the Year, Jericho Rosales.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Lani Santiago. And to present a lei for Jericho Rosales is Mayor Marcos Mamay of Nulungan, Lanao del Norte.
Okay. 1999 was the year. So Guillermo Mendoza Awards gave me a trophy. Nakalagay doon, most promising star in 1999. 3 years after I was Mr. Pogi. I'm here because of I didn't write anything, but I was like looking at the G. So gratitude is what brought me here to Guillermo Mendoza. I am so honored, just like what Donnie said, so honored to be, on stage and sharing this theater with, great actors and producers, and I just feel so happy because I'm doing, and I'm in this industry na mahal ko. I love my job so much, and I have quit so many times because na burnout. But every single time that I decide to do something, music, Guillermo, you guys gave me an award for music. Hindi nyo na po may tatanong, I'm also a lyricist. And then I left again and I did movies, and then you guys gave me an award again. So this is my, anyway, it's just